Before we jump into the full review of the jaw-dropping 2026 Lamborghini Temerario, make sure you subscribe to Car Garage Zone, the place where speed, design, and innovation come alive. If you love powerful engines, exotic designs, and cars that make your heart race, then you belong here. Hit that subscribe button right now, because what we're about to dive into will leave you stunned. Now, let's talk about the car that's redefining the future of supercars, the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. The name itself, Temerario, means daring, or reckless, in Italian, and Lamborghini has lived up to it in every way. The exterior design is nothing short of breathtaking. It's a perfect fusion of sharp aggression and aerodynamic precision. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the car screams Lamborghini DNA, low, wide, and utterly unapologetic. The front fascia features razor-thin LED headlights inspired by jet fighter geometry, with massive air intakes sculpted for both performance and visual drama. The hood has bold angular lines that channel air perfectly over the carbon fiber body, improving downforce and cooling. Along the sides, you'll notice the signature Lamborghini wedge profile, with dramatic side scoops feeding the mid-mounted engine. The dihedral doors rise like wings, giving that signature supercar presence that instantly makes heads turn. Around the back, the design is equally wild: hexagonal taillights, a full-width LED strip, an active rear wing, and a massive diffuser that makes it look ready for the track even when standing still. Step inside, and the Temerario's interior feels like the cockpit of a spaceship. Lamborghini's design team has focused on a balance between luxury and pure performance. Everything you touch feels premium yet purposeful. The dashboard layout is sharp and futuristic, dominated by a large, vertically mounted touchscreen that handles all the infotainment and vehicle dynamics. The driver sits low and snug in sculpted Alcantara sports seats with contrasting stitching, surrounded by exposed carbon fiber panels and metallic accents. A fully digital instrument cluster displays speed, drive modes, and performance stats in stunning 3D graphics, customizable to match your mood or driving style. The center console has fighter jet-inspired switches, including the iconic red flip cover over the start button, a detail that never gets old. The Temerario is not just a feast for the eyes, it's a monster under the skin. Powering this Italian beast is a newly developed 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine paired with an advanced electric motor system. Combined, it produces a jaw-dropping 900 horsepower. The power delivery is instant, with electric torque filling every gap, and the result is a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.5 seconds. The top speed, well over 215 miles per hour. The hybrid system isn't just for power, it helps improve efficiency and responsiveness while allowing short all-electric city driving when needed. The 8-speed dual-clutch transmission is lightning fast, keeping every gear change razor-sharp whether you're cruising or pushing the car to its limits. Driving the Temerario feels like controlling a piece of art in motion. It comes with Lamborghini's latest LDVI 2.0 Lamborghini Dinamica Veicolo Integrata, which constantly adjusts power distribution, suspension stiffness, and aerodynamics in real time. With drive modes like Strada, Sport, Casa, and a customizable E-mode, it adapts to your mood: calm on the highway, ferocious on the track. The new carbon titanium chassis gives it incredible rigidity, while the all-wheel drive system and rear-wheel steering ensure it dances through corners with surgical precision. In terms of comfort, Lamborghini hasn't forgotten the modern driver. You get wireless smartphone integration, a premium sound system, advanced climate control, and even an optional augmented reality driving display projected onto the windshield. Despite being built for raw speed, it still manages to feel surprisingly livable, especially compared to older Lamborghinis. Safety and technology have evolved, too. The Temerario includes advanced features like adaptive cruise control, parking assist with 360-degree cameras, collision alerts, and traction management tuned for both road and track use. It's Lamborghini's smartest supercar yet. Now, let's talk about what everyone's curious about: the price. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario starts around $460,000, but with customization through Lamborghini's Ad Personam program, prices can easily climb beyond $550,000. Each buyer can tailor everything, from the color of the stitching to the type of carbon weave, making every Temerario as unique as its driver. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is more than a car, it's a symbol of what happens when heritage, design, and technology collide perfectly. It pays tribute to the spirit of Italian engineering while looking boldly into the future of electrified performance. It's loud, daring, and absolutely unforgettable. So, what do you think? Has Lamborghini created the perfect successor to its legendary lineup, or do you think it's too futuristic for true purists? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Garage Zone for more epic car reviews, sound tests, and automotive deep dives. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned, because the roar of the future has just begun.